In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best food processors. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best food processors. Number 5, Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor is a fantastic option for those who want a dependable, easy-to-use processor at an affordable price. The Stack and Snap design simplifies assembly. No twisting, locking, or complicated steps involved. It's ideal for those who want an easy food processor that's ready to go in seconds. With a powerful 450-watt motor and stainless steel blades, it's capable of handling various tasks, from chopping and slicing to shredding and pureeing. The 12-cup bowl is BPA-free and large enough for family-sized batches, while the 2-speed settings provide control over processing intensity. This Hamilton Beach model is also designed with convenience in mind. The built-in bowl scraper saves time and effort by keeping ingredients close to the blades for even results, without needing to open the lid. Plus, all removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. For anyone looking for an affordable, user-friendly food processor that doesn't compromise on functionality, the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap is a solid choice that makes meal prep easy. Number 4, Vitamix Food Processor Attachment. If you already own a Vitamix Ascent or Venturous blender, the 12-cup food processor attachment is a fantastic way to add versatility to your kitchen setup. This attachment offers the same powerful processing capability as a standalone food processor, but it uses your existing Vitamix motor base. With a 12-cup capacity, it's perfect for meal prep, chopping, slicing, and even making dough. The self-detect technology automatically recognizes the attachment, making it incredibly easy to switch between blending and food processing modes. It's a seamless add-on that allows you to expand your culinary creativity without the need for an entirely separate appliance. What sets the Vitamix attachment apart is its efficiency and quality. The sharp stainless steel blades provide precision with every use, while the durable construction ensures longevity. It's a space saver too. You get a powerful food processor without taking up extra counter space. Plus, cleanup is easy, with dishwasher-safe components that make washing up a breeze. If you're a Vitamix fan looking to streamline your kitchen, this attachment is a smart, functional choice that adds a new layer of convenience to your cooking routine. Number 3, Ninja Food Processor. The Ninja Food Processor is an excellent choice for anyone looking for power and versatility without breaking the bank. With 1,000 peak watts, this processor packs a punch, easily handling everything from chopping and slicing to pureeing and even kneading dough. The 9-cup capacity is perfect for small to medium meals, making it versatile enough for everyday family use. Equipped with 3 precision blades and 4 functions, this food processor can handle any ingredient with ease, whether you're slicing carrots or pureeing soup. Plus, the large food chute and pusher make it easy to add ingredients as you go. One of the standout features of the Ninja BN601 is its simplicity and ease of use. With one-touch presets, you can go from chopping to dough making in seconds. The intuitive controls make it accessible for all skill levels, while the dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup after a big meal. Its compact design ensures it won't take up too much counter space, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. With Ninja, you get efficiency and quality in a compact, powerful package. Number 2, Breville Sous Chef Food Processor. Breville Sous Chef Food Processor is a game-changer for serious home cooks. This advanced model is equipped with a unique peeling and dicing function, taking food prep to a whole new level. Imagine effortlessly peeling potatoes or dicing veggies into perfectly uniform cubes, all with just the press of a button. The large 16-cup bowl makes it ideal for family meals and parties, while the powerful 1,200-watt motor ensures it can handle dense and tough ingredients like carrots or cheese. The Sous Chef also comes with a variety of precision blades, making it one of the most versatile food processors available. With Breville's thoughtful design, it's easier than ever to achieve professional quality results at home. The intuitive LCD display with timer functionality adds control and convenience, letting you adjust processing times for recipes that need precision. Even better, it has storage space for all accessories, keeping your kitchen organized and your workspace clutter-free. This food processor is perfect for those who demand the best in quality and innovation, making food prep faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Number 1. Quinnart Food Processor. The Quinnart Food Processor is an essential kitchen powerhouse that combines sleek design with impressive functionality. With its robust stainless steel construction, this model is not only durable, but also looks great on any countertop. Its 14-cup capacity makes it perfect for large family meals, batch cooking, or even holiday gatherings. From mincing garlic to dicing vegetables, shredding cheese, pureeing soups, and even kneading dough, this processor handles it all with ease. Equipped with a powerful motor and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, it ensures every ingredient is processed quickly and uniformly. Plus, the large feed tube means less prep work. It accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, so you spend less time chopping and more time cooking. This food processor is also incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The intuitive design offers simple controls, making it straightforward to operate with just a few button presses. It's a fantastic choice for those who want consistent results without the hassle, thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts, which make cleanup a breeze. With the Quinnart DFP14BCNY, you get a high-quality, versatile tool that simplifies meal prep and elevates your cooking experience. For anyone who wants professional-level performance in their kitchen, this Quinnart model is a reliable investment. And that wraps up our look at the top 5 best food processors. Each of these models brings impressive power, versatility, and convenience to the table, helping you save time and effort in the kitchen. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.